Okay, we're doing a grass cutting today, and I just want to showcase my gas pump that I use. This is a pump that fits right in your gas can. It's powered by a couple of AA batteries, I believe. This is where the gas goes on my John Deere tractor. And basically all you do is just take out the pump. You just clip it to your gas tank. It's really simple, okay? That's all you do, right there. I'm trying to get it here, okay? And now you just turn the pump on, and you'll see, there it goes. You can see it working in there. Now that's going to fill up. It's going to shut off when the tank is full. There's a little indicator on down there that the pump is on. And now we're filling up the gas tank. This is so much easier than picking that heavy thing up, because when that's full of gas, it weighs almost 50 pounds. And this is effortless. I just have to carry it over, put it next to the tractor, and let it fill up. Now it's almost full. It's going to shut off. Keep an eye on it. See, shut off. Okay, that's all it is. I highly recommend this. And I highly recommend that you check it out and buy one, because I have used this all summer faithfully and flawlessly. It's been perfect.